Hello friends, welcome back to Kafskitchen. Today I'm making soft buttery cookies using simple ingredients you most likely already have at home. So let's get right into it. I have here my all-purpose flour. I'm going to be using some icing sugar. You can as well use granulated sugar if you wish to. Then I'm going to be using some margarine. You can use butter, okay, but remember margarine contains some salt, okay. Then I'm going to be adding just an egg. It's totally optional in cookies, some vanilla extract, and finally just a pinch of salt. Remember my margarine contains salt already. So to my mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with my margarine followed by the icing sugar, and we are going to cream this together until it becomes light, smooth, and fluffy. This step is very important as it helps give your cookies a soft texture. At this point, I'm just going to scrape the sides of my mixing bowl with spatula to ensure that everything gets in there. Then I continue with my creaming. Now this is the exact texture that we need. You can see that it's very light, smooth, and it has become very fluffy, okay. So at this point we are going to go ahead and break in our egg, and then we can add our vanilla extract. So at this point, we are going to mix everything together until all the ingredients are fully combined. Now time to sift in our flour and salt beautifully, and then we can bring together our dough nicely without over mixing this, okay, because we do not want our cookies to become very hard. We want them very tender, and so we need to avoid over mixing this. Okay, so our dough is ready and it's looking all good. So I'll just scrape the sides of the mixing bowl and then we transfer this dough into a piping bag fitted with a nozzle. Okay, you can use any nozzle of your choice. So it's now time for us to pipe the dough onto a lined baking tray. And at this point, you need to leave some spaces in between the cookies, okay? And do not worry if you are not perfect at piping. I'm not either, okay? We are still learning, right? Guys, our cookies are looking gorgeous already. So we are going to pop this into a preheated oven, preheated at 250 C. We are going to bake this for only 7 minutes. Okay, we do not want to overbake this. And ta-da! After 7 minutes, the first batch of our cookies is ready. And we are going to just put this on a cooling rack and allow them to cool completely, and then we can go ahead and transfer them into our cookie tin. Okay, now it's time to line our tin with some cupcake liners. Okay, you can use any design of your choice. I'm going to give this to some people, so I need to use a very colorful one. Okay, so I'll just do that and pack my cookies properly, cover, and then off go. Guys, these cookies are very soft, buttery, and perfect with a cup of tea. Okay, for your festive season, any time of the year, you can have this as a family or share with loved ones. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video up to this time, please like, share, and subscribe for more recipes from Kaf's Kitchen. Thank you all so much for watching.